What's up YouTube? Mimi here, coming at you from my channel, Bunny Birdie Gator. Okay, you guys, I'm right here where I left off, and I just wanted to share some of the book titles with you guys for the week, because as you guys know, most of these are from Walmart and Target, and they have a high retail value. This one originally went for $17.99. Maybe you're an Amazon seller or a flipper. There is a big market for books. That's something I've really been wanting to get into, but I never have. Wow, this one has a nice texture to it. Again, another one that went for $17.99. Roseblood. That's a Barnes & Noble exclusive. So we have books that are coming here to Dollar Tree from Barnes & Noble as well. She Loves You, $16.99. We also have name brand workbooks and coloring books. This is by Random House. Whoa, is this Harry Potter, you guys? Hold up. It has stickers in it. It has all sorts of things in it. Okay, this is Fantastic Beasts, The Crimes of Grindelwald, Movie Magic. Hopefully I'm saying that right. How much was this originally? I think they covered up the sticker. Let's see if we can take a peek inside. I'm trying to get there, you guys. Let's see if I can find it. I think they covered it up. Okay, we also have The Age of Light. This came from Target. It has sort of a gummy cover. We have Vasa in the Night, a novel. Again, they're covering up the stickers. The End Has Already Begun, Plagueland. Again, they're covering up a lot of the price stickers, so I can't share that with you on every one. Wow, this is a really cool cover. Star Touched Stories. Again, the really sticky, gummy texture. I love that. These might have all come from Barnes & Noble. Lawless and the House of Electricity. First-rate Victorian crime fiction. Give the Dark My Love. Again, all of these have that sort of gummy, yummy texture that I love. And then we have a bunch of little skinny, like cookbooks, air fryer, brunch, vegetarian delights, keto, grilling, comfort foods, little quickie cookbooks. We have the Little Disappearing Purple Spray Adhesive by Elmer's. That's new. And these are new. Little desk organizers in marble. I also saw an additional color of the Sterilite bins we saw a couple weeks ago. There was a pink, and now there's also a black. The little pencil cases, the little snap closed pencil cases. You guys, these are actually scratch off stickers. That's a really cute concept. Desk reward stickers. Customizable decor for your classroom, a little bulletin board puzzle decor. We have, these are number magnets, you guys, and this is like really, really heavy. A magnetic pouch with window. Oh, so this has a magnet on the back. Huh. We have lanyards that are bagged up. Ready to learn some more. Okay, let's see if we have anything new over here. Bic pens in a bag. I saw so much cute stationery in my other location last week. Just the cutest, oh, that's fuzzy. The cutest little notebooks and everything. The cutest stuff. My cart is kind of noisy right now. The cute little doctor kits. The guava toys, slimes are still here. We have yellow and we have green. We also have Trolls World Tour figures that are still here from last week. Little notebooks, shine as lights in the world, and pleasant words are as honeycomb, sweet to the soul. Ooh, new stickers. Look, you guys, new stickers. I guess they're, oh, I was gonna say, I guess they're all the same, but no, they're different. And I love that there's little pages, like you could share these. These are so cute. We also have some brand new National Geographic folders. These are nice. If you need a folder for something. Sparkle in the Sky 3-pack coloring activity books. I think these are new also. They're kind of little pop-out stickers. And these are new. We have a lot of new stickers this week. Stars, dogs, really, really cute dogs too. And we have dinosaurs. Aw, the aliens are so cute. Oh my gosh, you guys, I just saw the cutest one behind here. I love the alien, look at him. Ooh, look at these. Okay, I gotta take one of these down. I gotta do it because there's just a lot of glare going on right now. We also have hearts. Okay, look at these, you guys. Aren't these so cute? Oh my gosh. I love these. They are so cute. Do I need any more stickers? No, I don't. I don't need any more stickers, but they make me so happy. Oh my gosh, you guys. I just feel like a kid whenever I'm looking at stickers. Anything else over here that's new? Okay, here we go. More Sterilite, even more. Purple, the pink. These are sturdy and nice, you guys. They're really nice. Here's the purple. So cute. Peppa Pig still here. All the varieties of Peppa. And then also over here we have more Trolls World Tour. I wanted to show those to you guys in case you haven't seen them yet. They're right here. These are here. And they have a little latchable case. Red, orange, and this one. This is a totally different shape. These are like little stars. These are the Tiny Dancers. And then we have more figures over here, more of Poppy. Okay, so we have, this one looks like a teardrop. We have orange, red, and purple. And then we have orange, red, and purple stars. Ooh, this is my first time seeing Barb. Look at Barb. And then we also have Mermaid. I saw Mermaid last week. Mermaid. And then we have Branch. And Poppy, of course. I think that's it. So cute. Well, all right, you guys, join me in my very next video. We have a lot to look at in this store, so don't miss a single one. Definitely hit that Dollar Tree playlist if you want to catch up on what's new this week. You guys know they're coming with a lot of new items every week. That's how they do it. They roll out new items for spring and summer and all of the holidays as well. But yeah, you guys, these boxes are so nice if you happen to need one. They're really, really nice. But all right, you guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.